Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new chapter 2 more on Windows. Here we will study about Windows 10. What are its main features, how user friendly environment is there in Windows 10, and what are new subtasks has been added in Windows 10. For example, in Windows 10, user-friendly graphic user interface has been developed, in which a custom start menu, live tiles, assist back, and many other features has came, which I will show you later. One of the most important concept here has been introduced is of continuum. The continuum basically help us to reduce the work of keyboard, mouse, and any of the touch input. Continuum basically brings our multiple task or multiple apps menu in one mode. In Continuum, Windows 10 has inserted two modes, tablet mode or laptop mode, or you can say desktop mode. I will show you later in laptop. By touching just one icon, the whole window just gets short and it comes in just a small window, so that our rest of the screen becomes vacant, and in that we can perform other type of tasks. Hence, this was the most important feature of Continuum. Tablet mode and desktop mode has came in Windows 10. Now, important another main feature of Windows 10 is task view, in which it enables that in one screen we can subdivide or open multiple screen, like 4 to 5 screen in one window. Also, we can interchange the work or the task allotted to screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. I will show you later. One of the important advantage of this task view is like this is a phone and your smartphone, any of the, by clicking this window, this is a task view mode of your phone, like this. Here you can see in just one screen multiple screens are opened. So by just you checking out ki which screen you want to use, you simply click on this. Like for example, I want to set my alarm, so I can just simply click on this. If I don't want any of these screens, simply I will, by doing this, all the tabs or screen will be closed. Now in Windows 10, by the helping of this start menu, here one setting menu is also available. With the help of this, we can find out the any of the app or the thing which we are required. One of the most important version, you can say, app is installed inbuilt in Windows 10 is Cortana. Cortana simply works like our WhatsApp message do. By just clicking on microphone, we can send voice message to another phone or another member. Here in our laptop, by clicking Cortana symbol is this circle. By clicking this symbol, we can say anything to our laptop and it will manage our files, folder, our alarm clocks, our schedule. It can manage anything. This thing I will also show you. And this is the main window of Cortana, like this. I am Cortana, ask me anything. Another, this is the important aspect and another involvement of Windows 10, which is known as task view. This will also I will show you. What is Edge? Edge is our default browser which our Windows 10 has been inbuilt installed. Like similarly, it works like our Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. Similarly, in Windows 10, Edge default browser will come. Here same as Google Chrome, you can find out all the things. You can work on internet, www internet, you can perform any type of task. Action center is on the right side of the Windows 10, which by clicking simply you can change your tablet mode, your location, your notes. It is a type of small scheduler. Now again, next one of the important Microsoft built a app, Windows Hello. It is for biometric security, means when you open your laptop, the camera compatibility, like in nowadays in mobiles face recognition is coming. Similarly it is Windows Hello, but one like it is similarly like fingerprint, face, iris recognition. Windows Hello has one disadvantage, like it requires proper hardware compatibility with your laptop. So in all laptops Windows Hello will not work. Further we will study in our next lecture.